Are you passionate about justice, research, and making a real difference? Truckee Meadows Community College offers the only American Bar Association approved paralegal program in Nevada, and it's designed to launch your legal career fast. In just 2 years, you can earn your Associate of Applied Science in Paralegal Law, learning directly from licensed attorneys and certified paralegals. Whether online or in person, you'll gain hands-on experience in legal research, writing, ethics, civil procedure, and more. With small class sizes, practical internships, and access to industry tools like Fast Case, you'll be prepared to support attorneys in private firms, government agencies, or corporate legal departments. A paralegal career offers strong growth potential in today's market, leading to in-demand roles like compliance officer, legal assistant, legal secretary, and title examiner, with many positions offering competitive salaries and opportunities for advancement. Step into a growing profession where opportunity meets justice and enroll at TMCC today.